How to enable privacy chat on email. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to keep your conversations more secure on email, then first of all, open the email application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main home page of email, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Once you're inside the main menu, tap on Security and Privacy. On the next page, select Chat and Call Privacy. On the next page under Chats, tap on Privacy Chat. Now, tap on Enable at the bottom of the screen. After you turn on the Privacy Chat, this will erase any chat messages in Privacy Chat. After you tap on the Enable button at the bottom of the screen, select the contact you want to enable private chat for or privacy chat for, and once you do that, tap on the tick mark at the bottom of the screen, and right after you do that, you'll be able to enable privacy chat for the chosen contacts. You can always remove the contact from the privacy chat tab whenever you want by coming to this page and tapping the three dots and selecting remove. When you have the privacy chat feature turned on, it has a time machine that erases any chat messages in privacy chats. It will also enable the disappearing message. Your chats will be shielded from screenshots, copy, share, and download, and the messages will have end-to-end encryption. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.